dreaming to wake up during the crisp dawn of the day, only to have the privilege to reach towards the sun ray, to experience the sunrise, fluorescently touching my glossy eyes. Those eyes that desperately want to reach the horizon, clutching my fist to grasp the future, events that the heart hopes will unfold with the magical allure, replacing the cold shiver with a streak of warmth, so tender and grander than before. But time itself is fleeting. In the blink of an eye closes the curtain. Lost in line, begins with such grace. The kind-hearted puppeteer seeking his place. So effortfully devising the crevices of the mind, of a puppeteer's skill, his artistry refined. He falls on his knees, screams into the night. Why so brutally treated? A voice wrestling through the fire. With time is so vexingly fleeting. In the blink of an eye closes the curtain. Lost in line, leads with such grace. The kind-hearted puppeteer seeking his place. Days of joy are speedy, the unpleasant ones linger, taunting the mastermind with dreams in the air, his hopes woven gently with love and despair. Don't fret, dear puppeteer, cherish your heart. Days of joy will multiply, filling your heart. Creating scenery so awesome, a sight to behold. Memories etched in time, more precious than gold. So let all grace and live your spirit to die. With each passing moment, embrace the sun. For the story you read is a treasure so rare. In the tapestry of life, you will always lay bare.